What is this webhook? So to understand webhook, we will take an example, real life example. So let's imagine you have a friend who is sending you messages whenever they find something interesting in a magazine, or let's say on Instagram, they find something, they send you a reel, right? So instead of your friend calling you every time they find something new, what they do is they decide to leave a note on your door, or, for example, they try to send you a reel or Instagram reel or a message at your Instagram inbox, right? So they don't come directly to you and or call you that hey Anirudh, I have sent you this reel at Instagram, right? So this is similar thing with webbook also. So in digital world, a webbook is like that note on your door. So it's a way for different computer programs to communicate with each other without constantly checking if something has new has happened or not. So for more detail, let me deep dive into it. So say a webbook is a way for one application, like a website or a service, for example, okay, to send automatic notifications or data to another application when something happens. For example, let's say when you enable the notification on your Instagram and when Anirudh sent you a reel, right? So what will happen? A notification will, like a text box will be appeared as a notification at your phone, right? Okay, hey, Anirudh has sent you a reel, right? Or a message. Similar thing Webhook does. So what it does is that it will send you a notification, or it will say, hey, this just occurred, go do something for it, right? Let's take another scenario for social media notification. So imagine you have some favorite social media app. So instead of manually refreshing your app to see if you have a new messages or notification, what the app can do is app utilizes a webhook that let your phone know that when there's something new. Let's say example, you have enabled notification option at your phone for the Instagram, and whenever there is a new reel or new message someone has sent you in your inbox, what happens is that you get a notification, right? This person has sent you a message or a reel at your Instagram, right? So this way your phone doesn't waste energy or whenever way resources constantly asking the server for anything new, right? It only checks when the server says yes, there is something new, and this more efficient because this is more efficient and saves resources. So in similar term, the Webhook is like an automatic messenger that tells one computer program to do something when a specific event happens in another program, right? So I have written some example here, for example, code. So what I've done is simply written some HTML where I would be just executing this script.js, and whenever something will come, I will just ensure it is written in the p tag, right? So script.js, I went to the script.js. So what I'm doing is that I've created a function set timeout. So what it will do, it will simulate a delay of 3 seconds and before the server sends a webhook. Here I've written a comment also if you see here. So what it will do is that key after 3 seconds, it will send this new message. And what will happen is that key, this simulate server will create a webhook and send it to the notify client. The similar thing happens at your phone also, right? So at Instagram, someone sent you a reel. That reel is basically a message. So a message is triggered that is sent to your phone, and that phone creates a notification for you, right? The similar thing I've done. I created this message, hello, you have a new message. It will stimulate or simulate a server, and then it will create a webhook which will notify you. So if I run it, yeah, see, new message, hello, you have a new message. After 3 seconds, it says that, yeah, you have a new message, right? So this is how webhook works.